Hey guys, this is Vicky and you're watching Man of Physique. So the most asked question is how to grow your patchy beard. So first we have to know what is patchy beard. Your facial hair has started growing up but it is incomplete. Your beard is not fully grown and you see some spot on your beard that there is no facial hair grown still. Believe or not, it is just normal. Your beard is not patchy, it is just growing. So when I was at the age of 20, it was same for me also. It also depends on gene genetics, and for growing of beard, it takes time. When guys reach to the puberty stage, at that time only the hormone changes happens physically, like the growth of your beard. Follow the 6 steps to enhance your patchy beard. The first one is let it grow, don't shave more frequently. Second is patience. This plays a big role. You need patience not only for the growth of your beard, for everything. Most of them need to build their bodies as fast as possible, but it won't grow. You need patience and consistency, same here also. For the growth of your beard, you need patience. Third one is comb your beard regularly in the direction where your beard grows. If possible, you can use wooden comb. The fourth one is trim your beard and make the style you want so that your beard doesn't look patchy, and shape your beard according to your face style. The fifth is exfoliation. Exfoliation is a process of removing dead skin cells from the surface of your skin using a granule substance or exfoliation tools. Your skin naturally shreds dead skin cells to make room for new cells every 30 days. 3 times a week you can exfoliate regularly. The sixth one is use of beard oil. You can use any type of beard oil, but I am using the brand called Ustraa beard oil. For me, this beard oil gives me a better result. I did not mention that you should also use the same beard oil. You can use any type of beard oil, but this gives me a better result. I have posted the link below the description. If you want to buy this beard oil, you can check the link below description box. Apply the beard oil at night, because at that time only the pores on your face will open and it will absorb the oil. That time only the right time to apply the beard oil for enhancing your beard growth. Follow this 6 steps for enhancement of your patchy beard. So if this information was helpful to you, so do subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so that you don't miss any videos from Man of Physique. Stay peace guys.